Hello, welcome back to our Simple Life Patterns Isla Infinity Tunic and Dress Sew Along. Today's day 2. All we're doing today is cutting our fabric. And I have to say, even with that heart cutout, it's a super easy pattern to cut. A few notes, you do need to cut 2 skirt pieces on the fold. It's going to be a super fun twirly skirt. So it's a very, very full skirt. So you've got 2 pieces cut on the fold, and look at how cute. I'm using this buffalo plaid with snowflakes on it for mine because I thought, okay, February, can you use snowflakes in February? Yeah, it's still snowy outside. It's still winter. Snowflakes aren't just for Christmas. And buffalo plaid, I am super, I don't want to say excited. I cannot wait to see this one done. So I'm using this for my skirt portion. It's going to be in French terry. And then for my top, I am using some crushed velvet in our glitter print. Look at it. Okay, so here's the buffalo plaid. And here's... Is that not going to be a fabulous dress? I wish I could wear it. Oh my goodness. Ah, I love it. I cannot wait. It's going to be so awesome. All right, anyways, getting back to cutting our fabric, you are going to need 2 pieces of the skirt cut on the fold. You are also going to need, let me get my pieces out here. For the front, you're going to need, or for the top, sorry, you're going to need 2 sleeves. You're also going to need a front piece and a front liner. I decided to do them both out of crushed velvet. I don't know. We'll see. I've heard crushed velvet can be a tricky one to sew with. So let's see how we do with it. I was like, do I do them both out? Do I do the main and the liner out of it? It's like, yeah, why not? Let's just do it. And then you'll also need a back piece. I am doing the heart cutout for mine. So you're going to need a back and a liner for your back as well. Because what we do then is all the seams, we don't have any bands. So there's no neckband or anything. What's going to happen is the liner is going to fold over, and that's going to create that nice look without any binding or bands or anything like that. But so yeah, I am doing the heart cutout. It's so adorable. This is so shiny. So not only, I think the crushed velvet is perfect for this print because the crushed velvet is already got some shine to it. So then when you got the glitter, it looks like it's real glitter. Like, oh, look at how awesome. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I also am doing pockets for mine, and I thought for the skirt, just to add a little bit in case something peeks out, I'm going to do some of the glitter for pockets. So if you do pockets, you'll need 4 pieces mirror image. So what I like to do for that is I just like to fold my fabric in half and then cut out my pocket, but not on the fold, just a little bit off of the fold, so that I get 2 mirror image pieces. And you'll want to do that twice because you'll need a pocket and a bag. And then look at how cute. When you cut out the heart, it leaves this little cute heart piece that I am going to hold on to. I might applique it onto my dress, onto the skirt part of my dress, or I might just use it for an applique on something else. But I was like, I couldn't throw them away. They're so cute. So when you cut out your hearts, keep them. You can use them for applique, or I don't know, just look at them. They're super cute. So that's it for today. I do want to mention this pattern, it is recommended to use knits, but you can use a woven for it. If you choose to use woven, you need to make sure it's I believe, a medium weight. Let me pull that up again really quick to make sure I'm giving you the accurate information. I just closed it too because it's like, oh, I don't need this anymore. Every single time. All right, So you can choose to do ruffles. You can choose to do different length sleeves. There's a cute flutter sleeve. Because I'm doing French terry and my buffalo plaid has snowflakes on it, I thought it would be best to do a long sleeve version. Again, just because snowflakes, winter, it's more of a winter dress. You don't want to wear flutter sleeves or short sleeves. But you can add ruffles. I'm not this time. The best fabric, though, you're going to want something with 4-way stretch. You can use 2-way, but make sure, though, if you do use 2-way, that your stretch is going across your pieces and not up and down. Because when your stretch goes up and down, your piece is going to get longer and longer. Whereas if it goes side to side, it's going to be able to move with you. So you want to make sure not to have it go up and down. It's got to have at least 50% stretch. Yeah, I mean, yeah, at least 50% stretch. I'm trying to see here. I know it said I saw something about woven. Okay, so if you want to use woven, you can use it for the skirt or the flutter sleeves, and then you can use it for the ruffles and whatnot. But make sure that, yeah, it's a light to medium weight cotton. Make sure you don't do the bodice in woven, though, because there's no zipper. If you wanted to do the bodice in woven, you will have to figure out a way to put zippers or buttons or snaps or something in it, because otherwise you won't be able to get it over the head and all that jazz. Trust me, it's not fun doing something in woven when you're not supposed to. It never works out for me. But so yeah, that's it for today. If you are wanting to get your hands on some of this gorgeous glitter, or even the beautiful the buffalo, you can get these printed on any of our bases. We've got, I think right now we've got Liverpool, we've got Luxe double brush poly, which is my favorite double brush poly. We also have regular, but I definitely recommend Luxe. We've got the crushed velvet, we've got French terry, we've got chiffon dot, or Swiss dot, which is like it's a woven fabric. If you've wondered what Swiss dot is, it's a woven fabric that's slightly sheer that's got these dots on them that we can print on as well. But so definitely check out, you can get any of our designs or panels printed on any of our pattern or any of our fabric bases. And I love that, since I use so many different bases for so many different things. I love that I can get the same print in several different bases, because sometimes you just find that print that you really love, but it's only in like French terry, but you want to use it in like more of a dress, or so like I love that you can print on any of our bases, any of our designs on any of our bases. So if you are wanting to check that out, there will be a link in the description to check out all the goodies that we've got on our site right now. And yeah, thanks for joining me. This was quick and easy, not too tricky. I love when I cut out fabric and it's not super crazy or a ton of pieces that I've got to label and one thing though, no things. Pardon me. Tomorrow we are going to be sewing up our bodice and our lining. So we're going to be sewing those up as 2 separate pieces. We might end up attaching the bodice too, because now that I'm thinking about it, doing the bodice and the lining, it's just going to be like sewing the shoulders together and that's it. So stay tuned on what we do. But yeah, this is going to be a fun, super cute dress, and I cannot wait to see yours. So after you cut out your fabric, in the comments, just share what you're making, what you're using to make your Isla. I cannot wait. These are going to be so cute. I love the little heart cut out. Okay, I will see you tomorrow when we actually start sewing. Bye.